doing, Scout? Huh? What you doing? Come back down? Okay. Alright. Come on. Get up on this one. Get up here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, get your foot. There you go. Jump. Come on. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Okay, don't crowd me. Go. Shoot. Keep going. Keep going. We're getting there. No, 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 no. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Go. 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 Turn around. Go. Hey. Crossing tracks. Okay. So, I'm here at Duck Pond. And, see if I can get it so you can see. You can see the water right there. And if I pan over, you'll start to see the blue tarp up here. So as I come into camp, I'll have you guys go with me. Alright, anybody there, Scout? Huh? Anybody there? Anybody there? Here we go. Oh, there's a couple of Indian geese sitting on the pond. Hi guys. Looks like a couple babies, maybe? I don't know. Can't see that far. And there goes another duck. So, anyways, here it is. I think it was left over from when they were building logging roads. Some loggers did it because it's been sitting here for a very long time. There's some old fishing reels and a saw, and a burlap bag, and some whiskey bottles.